Jaden is precious. He is the sweetest little bye.
You're a little boy?
No.
What are you, a little
Boy.
Boy, yeah.
Ask yourself, what makes this? It starts with this letter.
He
Gives
100%.
Yeah.
In every grade.
In everything.
And in everything. He
Let's start with. Okay.
he
Gets.
gets a wanted
Little.
Nah.
nervous, but he never gets up. He is a great
What does it look like? Worker.
and a greatest.
Good.
Friend. He
Read. Look at it.
will do great in school next year. Thank you. No, I have.
No, it's in here. Thank you for.
What is this?
What does it look like?
See? Sharing this him with me, Mrs. Acton.
Yay! Say I'm a first grader now.